Hello everyone, it is Storm Tracking HQ here with another video. This is a severe thunderstorm warning video. Um, let's get into this. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Denton, Louisville, Texas, and Flower Mount, Texas into 6:45 p.m. daylight time. This storm contains 2-inch size hail. Hazards up to 65 miles per hour, 2-inch hail size possible. Population's 543. Okay, yeah. It's 554,000 population, 157 schools, and 8 hospitals are included. Let's go over what the National Weather Service Fort Worth is. Once I find it. At at 5:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a thunderstorm was located near this place, Singer, Texas, moving south at 25 miles per hour. So, um, North Lake. Okay, so the towns included in this are Little in Oak Point Province. We already mentioned these towns right here: Double Oak, Highland Village, Hiker Creek, Yalkin. We already mentioned that town. Kerrigan, North Lake, Roachin, and Kaufman. Please report stuff, and they do say this in their warning discussion. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency, and they will send your report to the National Weather Service in Fort Worth. So, please do what they are telling you. If you see any down trees, down power lines, or anything, if you see hail as well, if you see that 2-inch hail, please report it to the NWS or your local law enforcement, as that's also too. But if you are a storm reporter or storm spotter for the NWS Fort Worth, you can report that immediately to your National Weather Service. With that being said, this is Storm Tracking HQ signing out, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Stay safe, everyone, by the way, and goodbye.